Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today, this is a weather video, of course, as you probably could see, but we're talking about the extreme heat. Not in the West, well, the West is still gonna be hot, but in the Mid-Atlantic, up even into the Ohio Valley, and even down to Texas and Louisiana. So the fires will still be raging. I will talk about more about the 5 Mile Swamp. So yeah. So that is the 6 to 10 day outlook. The 6 to 10 day outlook is really warm. Of course, there's some spots up here in like the Upper Peninsula and even parts of New England. So it goes all the way from the southeast up to New England, into the Ozarks, Ohio Valley, out to the Great Plains, even into the southwest, from even the Tornado Alley. So this is really cross-country extreme heat. If it'll load, finally, over here, it's cooling down. You guys won't have extreme heat. So the entire Florida Keys, and even more into Texas is extreme heat. It goes from Florida all the way up to North Carolina, West Virginia, Ohio Valley, and literally the entire Tornado Alley. So Tornado Alley, you will not have the best time. And then we're not going to do 1 month because that's just too far, but we'll just see what month 3. Literally the entire country is above average. Wow! That's insane. But let's go to the heat. So this is it right now. Only up to 80s in spots around Yuma. Only. But Yuma, you will cool down a little bit more. Let's go here with the major heat. It only goes up to 90, but we can see that it goes up into even the northwest. 95 in Yuma and near Las Vegas. So let's go another 24 hours wherever it gets really hot. So right here you do see a ridge. So North Carolina, you will not get really bad heat, but you can see the immediate punch. And I believe that says 98 to 88. I can't really see because of the borders. So here is excessive heat. Even goes up to the Dakotas. And then also over there. So 89 is the highest temperature, or 97 in Yuma. 89 is the highest temperature. These two, and 90 in Texas and Mexico. So let's go here. So we can see a immediate cooldown. This is like midday on Thursday. We can see 70s to 80s in 60s to 80s in parts of Arizona. So we can see immediate heat right along this border, and even up to 91 and 95. 95 temperatures are possible for around the Dallas area. Dallas-Fort Worth area. Let's go a tad bit further. 132. You can definitely see this section and around the exact same areas where we're going to have very excessive heat. Let's go in and we can see what the heat is. Yep, right down there, right 95. Right at 95. Let's go until it gets hot once again. Extreme heat 156. Up to even 80s in parts of North Carolina. The highest one I see is 86. And even in North Carolina, all the way down to Orlando, 88 in Orlando. So this will give you a heat punch. So 190, 86, which is around midnight or so. Up to, I saw, yeah, here is when it's supposed to cool down for parts of the 92, 94, even parts of 90s in the southeast. And all the way up here, we could see possibly 90s. So this is going to be a heated area to look for. 97, heat. Even 100 at 282. And I know we aren't Mexican or we aren't seeing Mexico, but what is this? 104 degrees. So this is an insane heat wave. You could get stroke and possibly even die from this if you aren't taking serious precautions. So extreme heat from the for the southeast up into New England. Yeah, extreme heat. This is not what you should be playing with. Of course, you should probably play attack because you need some sun. But 96 in parts of Orlando, 94. Just extreme heat. Insane. Extreme heat. Let's see, like, Jacksonville temperatures. Or around Jacksonville. 99 in Jacksonville. It's mostly Miami which gets the largest amount of heat, but it's not Jacksonville. Let's go here. Is there any 100s? No, not saying like there's any 100s, but saying that there might be some 100s in the southeast. I hope you enjoy. Please leave a like. Thank you guys for 34 subscribers. Can we please get to 35? And we'll see you in the next video. Alright, bye-bye.